What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Arms Around You by Pump, Peep, X, and Sway Lee. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, once you get done with the video, make sure you check the description below. I've left a free ebook there for you guys called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's just a little gift that I like to give to you guys for coming to the channel. It's great for all skill levels, so once you're done with the video, go get your free ebook, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright, you guys, here's another very fun song to play. You're starting in standard tuning, capo on your 5th fret. You're only using 4 chords in this song. First one being an E minor, that's going to be your middle finger, 2nd fret A string, ring finger, 2nd fret D string. Then you're going to a D major, which is going to be your index finger on your 2nd fret on your G string, your ring finger on your 3rd fret on your B string, and your middle finger on your 2nd fret on your high E string. Then you're going to an A minor. It's going to be your index finger on your 1st fret on your B string, your middle finger on your 2nd fret on your D string, and your ring finger on your 2nd fret on your G string. Then you're going to a C major. Keep your index and your middle finger where they are and just move your ring finger to your 3rd fret on your A string. So this song is kind of upbeat. It's got a little bit of a dancey vibe to it. So your strumming pattern is a little bit quicker. This will be good for some of you guys who haven't really played something that's a little bit faster, a little bit more up tempo. Your strumming pattern for each chord is going to be a down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. But for your A minor chord there, you're going to stay there for an extra down, down, up, down, up, and then you're switching to your C chord. Down, down, up, down, up. Just one of those. One down, down, up, down, up, and then you're back to your E minor. So again, slowly all that looks like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Stay. Down, 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 up, 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 down, down. Now it's okay for you to practice that very slowly like that to get the strumming pattern down. That's probably the best way to go about it, just to practice it, get it down slowly, and then as you feel more comfortable with it, you can speed it up to the regular tempo. So I'll play through it one more time slowly, and then I'll play through it at regular speed so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. Down, down, up, down, 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 down. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Don't forget to grab your free ebook in the description below, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If there's any comments or questions or concerns or any songs that you guys want me to teach you, leave that in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.